People tell me all the time that they can't afford to travel. I'm going to prove that wrong. Today, we are planning a complete weekend trip for 2 people, from scratch, for under $300. There are strict rules for this challenge. We are using real destinations, real hotel prices you can book right now, and doing all the math live on screen. Before we start, gather your tools. Open Google Maps, pull up a blank budget tracker, and log into a free OneKey account on Expedia. Having these tracking tools ready to go is exactly what separates a guaranteed booked vacation from another failed group chat idea. Let's start the clock. Step 1 is the single most important constraint. We only look at destinations within a 3-hour drive of home. Looking at this chart, you can clearly see why flights destroy budget trips. A cheap base fare immediately doubles once you add checked bag fees and airport Ubers. By driving, you pay a flat rate for a tank of gas. Within this 3-hour radius, we are searching for towns that offer free outdoor activities and a walkable downtown. That usually gives us at least 3 viable options to choose from. We select our target city and log our first official expense on the tracker, a flat $40 allocated for round-trip gas. Constraining your geographic radius right at the start protects the rest of your budget from spiraling out of control. Step 2 is the hotel. Go to your Expedia tab and verify you are logged in. Member prices are only visible when authenticated, which instantly cuts $15 to $25 off the nightly rate. Next, open the price calendar to check the full month. The green dates show you the absolute cheapest check-in days for your window. Now, apply the refundable filter. Never commit to a non-refundable rate on a short trip. The upfront savings aren't worth the risk if your plans change. Before confirming, scroll down to the policy section. This graphic shows exactly what most travelers miss. That base rate looks great until the hotel quietly adds a $12 nightly parking fee. Add that parking fee to our $89 room rate, and our true nightly cost is $101. For a 2-night stay, $202 goes onto the tracker. Securing the cheapest base rate means nothing if hidden fees destroy the overall trip math. Step 3 is food. The rule here is strict. $30 per person per day. To hit that target, buy groceries on arrival day for breakfast, find a local spot under $12 for lunch, and reserve your remaining funds for one quality sit-down dinner per day. Running those numbers through our local restaurant searches puts our total food cost for the weekend at exactly $78. Step 4 is the itinerary. We build our schedule by ignoring curated tourism board websites and searching strictly for free options first. Every destination has state park trails, local farmers markets, or historic downtown walks. These fill the majority of our daytime hours for $0. After the schedule is built, we allow exactly 1 paid attraction for the weekend, capping the cost at a maximum of $25 per person. Anchoring a trip with a grocery strategy and free activities allows for high-quality experiences without financial guilt. Now we check our math on the digital readout. Gas, hotel, food, and our $36 paid activity. Our total lands at $356. We are officially over budget. When this happens, you don't panic and you don't abandon the trip. You simply execute a pivot. We go back to Expedia and swap to our backup hotel, saving $10 a night. Then, dropping our paid activity for a free local street festival brings the numbers back in line. The new total settles at $294. We are locked in. A repeatable system provides the levers to adjust these variables until the math works, turning a failed calculation into a viable itinerary. You now have the exact steps to build a $300 weekend. But knowing the steps and actually sitting down to a blank spreadsheet are 2 different things. Starting from 0 creates the friction that stalls most plans. Using a pre-built framework bypasses that initial decision fatigue. This planner takes the exact system we just used and built it out for you. It includes the Destination Finder framework, the day-by-day budget map, and the full weekend itinerary templates. Click the link in the description to grab your copy. Use it today, bypass the planning anxiety, and get your next weekend trip booked by Friday.